Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be filming this look that I have on right now. It's a, I don't know. Well, I guess it's a smoky eye because it's really, it does the things. It's very like evening look type of vibes. But yeah, I just filmed this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'm going to start by doing my eyebrows. Okay, and then we're just going to use a concealer to clean that up. So yeah. So I'm just going to start off with a very dark transition color right there because I want to go like a bit smoky, and yeah, so I'm just going to use that as my transition color. So you're going to apply it right there, so yeah, on the eyelid. Okay. Cool. Now that that is done, we're going to go in with this brown towards the end, like right here, and we're going to use the same brush to do that. Okay, we're going to use the same brush. So you just first want to dab it on like what I'm doing, and then blend it out after.
And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis. With poetic justice. If I told you the flowers bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. Anytime you can get it, you can get it.
To cut my crease using the concealer, so this is going to be like a full cut crease, so I'm just going to start right over here. Okay, then you want to look up like this, and then you see where that happens. That's where your cut crease is supposed to end, so you just need to follow that shape after looking up, so that you don't go too high. then now we're gonna do this brown that's right here. Okay, that's done. Looks cute. Looks cute. But then do you see how like the corners don't look so dark anymore because we used like a color that's a tad bit dark for the sides. So we're going to go, I think this is just like a smaller palette, easier to hold and show. I'm just gonna go with the black. There's also black in that palette, but we'll just see if this one works. I'll use this one. Okay, so we're going to apply that at the
your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis. With poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you the flowers bloom, then a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. Anytime you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Any place, and I don't care. Just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in a song. Alright. Anytime you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Any place, and I don't.
I'm just going to use that brown again to go in between the black and the cut piece. Okay, the darker brown that is.
You called up your girl when curled up in the itty bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Don't approach her with that Atari. That ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I can right my wrongs unless I write them down.
That's a bit more blended now. Okay, so that is a bit more blended now, so we can carry on. Okay, so I'm just going to use the concealer. I'm going to put it at the back of my hand, just like that, and then I'm going to put it on a brush and then wipe into the shape that I want it to be. So okay. Ooh. Child. And then Then now we're going to smoke out the bottom lash with the, I think the brown would do it. It's a really cute color, so we'll do that with the brown. Oh my gosh, guys, these lashes took so long to put on. They kept on falling out and they made me cry. Wow. Like, yeah, it's a lot. The things we go through to look dope, man. Like, yeah. Okay, so we're just going to do the foundation. Oh, the light is from there. Can the light please come back?
Your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis. With poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you the flowers bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you.
I'm forgetting to put blush the past couple of videos. I don't know why. I love blush. I don't even know why. I forget. And also and highlight as well. Wow. Yep, and then we can use this blue. Okay, and then okay, a little bit more. And put it on my blush, y'all. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I had so much fun making it, and thank you for watching this video.